Hey folks, Josh here at Wild Prairie Harley-Davidson. We got a 2021 Street Glide special here that just got done getting accessorized for the showroom floor. I know people are always wondering, what does the bike sound like? What does the different exhaust sound like? So we did upgrade this one here with the Rinehart exhaust. It has the stage 1 ventilator air cleaner and the Harley-Davidson super tuner here. So that way we got the full stage 1 complete. You're gonna have a great sound and rumble out of this bike here. So let's see what it sounds like here in person. I know what you're thinking. Sound doesn't do its justice when it's on the internet, so come on out and take a look at it for yourself. I think it sounds great. I hope you enjoyed the sound of it here as well too, but there's nothing beats getting actually down the road at 60 miles an hour and hearing that throttle when you crack it and you go for that lane change or something like that. That's what gets the heart pumping. So hope you enjoyed the sound, but like I say, come see it in person. We'll fire it up always for you so you can hear it. Thanks for watching.